Summit Racing, we're at SEMA 2024. Of course, we're going to stop by Hot Rod Alley in the Central Hall, and no better place to stop than Flaming River. Thank you for joining us. You've got a new product out that's going to make 88 to 93 Chevy truck owners pretty happy, right?
Yes, sir.
So tell us what we've got.
So yeah, we picked up a 89 Chevy truck because we were doing research and development. For one, to have wipers on a column that we've never had, and two, we were developing our bolt and rack and pinion kit. So yeah, this is the final result. You're going to have wipers, cruise, tilt, turn signal, hazard, dimmer switch. There's a little push button on here, key, column shift, floor shift, 3 different finishes. So yeah, everything that they should need.
A smart option for folks looking for an OE spec, better than OE spec replacement for their truck, right?
Correct.
And I'm imagining a lot of people who built hot rods back in the day went to a junkyard and sourced, Monte Carlo column or something, in that area. That column was already used. Now it's all another 10, 20 years old. Could this work in that situation too?
Definitely. Yeah, so this kind of accomplishes a couple of things for us. One, we have a direct fit column for that C1500 era truck, but two, we now have a wiper column that we can custom length any size anybody wants. If they have a street rod they built back in the mid-'80s, they pulled that G-body column out. It was already kind of worn when they did that. Half the things don't work, so this will take care of it. It's got a direct mounting system here for a factory OEM style mount.
Genius product, and it solves a lot of problems for a lot of people.
Yes, sir.
And that's what we're all about. That's what all the Flaming River is all about. That's what Summit Racing is all about. So SEMA 2024, thank you for joining us, Brett, and we'll see you again.